ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Please repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयिवन्न त्रिलग्
त्रिलग्
एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण् ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जभै
जभै
ढढधष्
खडधष्
जबगडदष्
जबगडदष्
खफछठथ छटतौ
खफछठतौ
कपै
कपै
यशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुकविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानाम् ऊर्ध्वा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ऊपु उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कंठ ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त
ओष्ठम्
ओष्ठम्
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
मूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता
निशाचरचमूः रामाय
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
राम
मामुद्धर
And chant this also. Samhitaikapade nitya
संहितैकपदे
नित्या
nitya धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याधातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु
नित्या
समासे
वाक्ये
वाक्ये
सा विवक्षाम् अपेक्षते
विवक्षामपेक्षते
Get to know the meaning. You have to know the meaning of this. You have to remember, sorry, not know. You know the meaning, I taught you. To remember the meaning of this shloka. Ekapade samhita nitya bhavati. And between dhatu and upasarga, it is nitya. To be done, there is no choice. Whereas in samasa also it is nitya, whereas in vakya, the sentence is between the words, it is choices. That is depends on the vivaksha of the speaker. So here, this regarding this we saw in the last class. One sandhi we saw. Upasarga plus this dhatu.
Purvarupa sandhi.
Yes. It is pararupa sandhi. Pararupa. With the last class we saw. Yes. And this sandhi I added the new one. Maybe last class or class before last. I don't remember. That is upasarga ending with avarna. Akara or akara. Followed by a dhatu beginning with yang letter. A or O. Then between the two, what will happen? Purva pariyogastane pararupam adesha bhavati. A plus A. What sandhi generally will apply? A plus A. Generally. Not here. In general. A plus A. What sandhi?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. Therefore, this is apavada to vriddhi. A plus A is vriddhi. But here, A only will come. A plus O will be O only, not O. Provided this the ekara and okara is the first letter of the following dhatu. Example, ejate, oshati. Oshati from the ush dhatu. Ush become oshati. Ej dhatu, ejati. So therefore, pra plus ejate, prejate, not praijate. Pra plus oshati, roshati, not proshati. Okay, this is pararupa sandhi. So you need to know this. in the under Achandi, 7 rules we have seen. Savana Dirga, Yan Sandhi, Punasandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, Ayadi Sandhi, Purvarupa Sandhi, Pararupa Sandhi.
Pararupa Sandhi.
This sandhis you have to remember. Then we last class we revised these consonants and we are revising consonants and the and some more rules are there that we will see from the consonants and the order you have to remember. Here it is not presented in the order what you see the screen. The order already we know what I have sent that the sandhi order. In between the rules will be inserted that we will see. But the order is, as I told before, Jasya Sandhi, in that order you have to do it. So here Chartha Sandhi, Jasya Sandhi, Anunasika Sandhi. Anunasika Sandhi we know, we saw the last class. Anunasika Sandhi, Anuswara
Yes.
Sandhi. Those Sandhis we saw. So let us see Anuswara once again. Then Parasavarna, then Shutva Shtutva we know it very well. Then Purva Savarna, that also we know. Chatta Sandhi we have seen. And Nyamutta Agama Sandhi, that's a new Sandhi that we will see. So keep the names of all the Sandhis in your mind. So we will see. Now here, starting from Jasya Sandhi onwards, you can see Jasya Sandhi, number 1, Padanta Jal replaced by Jash, we know. Then Anuswara Sandhi, I made into 2. Anuswara Sandhi number 1, Anuswara Sandhi number 2. Padanta Makara will be replaced by Anuswara, when followed by Hal. That is Anuswara Sandhi number 1. The simple Sandhi. Palam plus Palati. Palam is Padanta Makara. Palam is a Padam. So Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara. This is number 1. And Anuswara Sandhi number 2, where the Apadanta Nakara as well as Makara. Both will be, both are talked about. Apadanta Nakara or Apadanta Makara will be replaced by Anuswara. Previously Padanta Makara, but here Apadanta Makara as well as Apadanta Nakara also will be replaced by Anuswara. When it is followed by Jal letter. Example, last class we saw Payan plus C. Payan is not a Padam. Don't think it is a Padam, it is not a Padam. Payan is the word, and C, there it is a Pratyaya. You can take it as a Pratyaya. So Apadanta Nakara followed by what letter? Sakara, which is a Jal letter. Therefore, this Nakara, Apadanta Nakara becomes Anuswara. Payam, C. Similarly, another example, Nam plus Syati. Nam is not a Padam, and Makara is Apadanta Makara, followed by Sakara. It's a Jal letter. Therefore, Nam Syati. The meaning of the word Nam Syati is, he will do Namaskara. That is the word Nam Syati, future tense. All those things we will see later. So this is what Anuswara Sandhi. Now, here, Chartava Sandhi we know, Jasya Sandhi we know, and Anuswara Sandhi, 2 types. Anuswara Sandhi number 1, where Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara, that is number 1. Anuswara Sandhi number 2 is Apadanta Nakara or Apadanta Makara will become Anuswara when followed by Jal. Then Anunasika Sandhi. What is Anunasika Sandhi? Anunasika also we have seen. What is Anunasika Sandhi?
Bindu
Padanta Yar
Makara.
is followed by Anunasika. Yar will
Yes.
be replaced by its Anunasika
Anunasika
letters
letter.
optionally.
Yes, that is Anunasika Sandhi. Anunasika Sandhi you can see here. Padanta Yar. Padanta Yar. The Yar letter at the end of the Padam. For all our purpose, you can take it as a Vargiya Vyanjanam. What is Vargiya Vyanjanam? Vargiya Vyanjanam is class consonants. Okay, what are the Yar letters? What are the ear letters?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the class consonants. Ya, va, ra, la, sha, sa.
Ear includes all the consonants except the sibilant ha, right? That is
Yes.
what
Yes.
ear is.
Yes.
Starting from higher word, it starts from yeah onwards up to shashasar. So except the sibilant ha, soft aspirate, ha, all the consonants are included in ear. But within bracket, I have written Vargiya Vyanjanani. Vargiya Vyanjanani means class consonants. Even though the rule says here, for all practical purposes, you can take it as class consonants, no problem. Why it is, that is above, beyond the scope of this session. So don't worry about it. Just you can take ear letter, what I mean is all the class consonants. Or even if you take, no problem. Doesn't matter. Ear letter, all the letters except her. Other letters will not come. Something will happen. That is why I filtered and written class consonants for given Janani. Okay. So when this letter is followed by Anunasika, Anunasika is fifth letter of the class consonants. Then what will happen? Your letter will be replaced by Anunasika optionally. This is optional. This is what we saw in the last class, the Sandhi. Example, Vak plus Vayam. Vak is a Padam and Kakara at the end of the Padam. And Kakara is a class consonant followed by Mayam beginning with Makara, Anunasika letter. Therefore, the Kakara will be replaced by its Anunasika letter, which is Nakara. Therefore, Vang Mayam. Similarly, Shat plus Mukam will become Shan Mukham. And since it is optional, therefore, you can just add also Shat plus Mukam, Shad Mukam. Applying Jashwasandhi becomes Shad. Don't forget to apply Jashwasandhi because it comes first. Here also, in the first example also, Vag plus Mayam, first you have to apply Jashwasandhi, Kakara becoming Gakara, and then you apply Anunasika Sandhi. You follow the sequence. You follow the sequence Jashwasandhi first, followed by the other rules that you know it very well, that sequence, right? I sent you that picture of the slide also, the sequence of the rules to be applied. So don't forget to apply Jashwa Sandhi first. So Jashwa Sandhi to be applied and then you apply Anunasika. I will show that the same order again. Just a minute. Trying to find out the file. That is Sandhi Niyamaha. Forms of Dhatu. In it. I'm not able to find where it is. Yeah, it is the this sequence you remember. You can see the screen. Jashasandhi, then Shtutva, Shtutva. That time we didn't say other rules, therefore the old one is there. In after between Jashasandhi, Shtutva Sandhi, if any other rules apply, what are the rules are there? There's Anuswara Sandhi, Anuswara Sandhi number 1, number 2. Those things come in between. You can check the Sandhi chart, the number. So you can modify this chart into Jashasandhi. After that, Anuswara Sandhi, because it comes in between. Then Shutta Sandhi, Shtutta Sandhi, then Anunasika Sandhi, then Jasha Sandhi number 2, Charta Sandhi, Parasavana Sandhi, then Latta Sandhi, Purusavana Sandhi. You can compare with this, the list of the rules here. Here 10 are there. 10 Sandhi rules are covered. among the 10 Sandhi rules, here in this, we have covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Anuswara Sandhi number 1, that also is covered. Number 2. So 9 are there. So this chart can be, all those Sandhis are covered here. Maybe one is left out. We will see what it is later. Jasha Sandhi number 1. And after Jasha Sandhi, you can mark, or you can write after Jasha Sandhi, Anuswara Sandhi will come. Then Shutta Sandhi, Shutta Sandhi. Then follows the order, Anunasika Sandhi. Then Jasha Sandhi number 2, etc. Now, in this example, this Anunasika Sandhi. Anunasika Sandhi. First you apply Jasha Sandhi. It is applicable. That which is applicable, you apply. So Vak plus Mayam, Vak being a Padam and Kakara being a Padanta Jal, replace it by Jash letter. Therefore, Jash letter is Gakara, Vak. And after that, we can apply Anunasika Sandhi. Gakara still continues to be a class consonant only, air letter only. Therefore, replace it by corresponding Anunasika letter. Why? Because Anunasika follows. Therefore, Vangmayam. And this Sandhi is optional. This is optional, whereas there are cases where it is a must. That also you have to note. Example, the Matra, Maya, these are the Pratyaya, suffixes. When this suffix follow, there is no choice. You have to make the Sandhi. Example, Tat plus Maya. What will happen? Tat plus Maya.
This will be Tad.
Yes, good. That you have to make it. First, we have to apply Tad plus Maya. Can you do it? Tad plus Maya. Tad plus Maya, can you do it? You cannot do it. Why? Because Tad is not a Padam. Because you are adding a Pratyaya, right? How can this be a Padam? Right? A Padam is that into which Pratyayas are there, already added, then only it becomes a Padam, right? Therefore, don't apply. Right? Tat plus Maya is Tanmaya. This is your letter. See, we should know what we have some idea about Pratyayas. We have seen, it's not new. Pratyayas are those which are added to the Pratipadikam to make it into a Padam, or to a Dhatu to make it into a Kriya Padam. These are the simple Pratyayas we know. One is Sut Pratyaya, other one is Ting Pratyaya. This is some other Pratyaya, Krut Pratyaya. Adding this to Tat is a Pratipadikam. You get another Pratipadikam. Tanmaya is another Pratipadikam. That can be, that is in a way, that can be declined, but it is becomes indeclinable, or what will they be. So here, since this is a Pratyaya, therefore, this cannot be a Padam. Okay. So don't apply Jasha Sandhi, because Jasha Sandhi is applicable only for Padanta Jal. This is not a Padanta. It's not a Padam, therefore not Padanta. Therefore, directly you can apply. Since Jasha Sandhi is not applicable, then you have to apply Anuswara Sandhi only, because no other Sandhi in between applies in this sequence. So Takara is a year letter, replace it by corresponding Anunasika letter, it becomes Tanmaya. Similarly, Chinmaya, Tanmatra. Is it clear? This Anunasika Sandhi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. So in this char Anunasika Sandhi, which follows that we have seen, then here. So now Chartha Sandhi, Jasha Sandhi, Anunasika Sandhi, different types of Sandhis. Okay. Anunasika, Anuswara, we have seen. What is Parasavarna Sandhi? Have you seen Parasavarna Sandhi?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
What is Parasavarna?
Anuswara plus Yai.
Anuswara replaced
Varga
by
fifth letter replaces.
Yes.
Yai letter.
Anuswarasya Yai Parasavarna. Anuswara, that also we have seen. Anuswara replaced by the Parasavarna. So that's also we have seen, right? Parasavarna Sandhi. That is Anuswara. Anuswara will be replaced by the Savarna of the following A letter. What is A letter? What is A?
Except ha.
Not except
One.
ha. Except
Semi
sibilants.
vowels 1, 2, 3,
No,
4,
no.
5.
Yeah, all 1, 2, 3.
All
1, 2,
sibilants are
3, 4,
included.
5
So,
semi-vowels.
yes, semi-vowels
Except
1,
ha.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yes,
And
except
semi-vowels.
sibilants.
Except
Except-
sibilant and ha.
Sibilants.
Ah,
Ha
yes,
and
Sibilant
sibilant.
includes her. Sibilant
Yes.
includes her, right? So
Yes.
except sibilants, all the letters are there in A. So you have to remember the pratyahara, important. Yer letter we saw before, that yer letter includes all the consonants except her, the sibilant. A letter includes all the consonants except the sibilants. Okay. So this A letter follows what? Anuswara. How Anuswara comes? You see the sequence. Anuswara is born because of what?
Padanta makara.
Padanta makara or apadanta nakara or makara followed by jal letter. Just now we saw, right?
Yes.
So that rule comes after Jashva Sandhi number 1. You can see on the top Jashva Sandhi number 1. After that, Anuswara Sandhi. Now in the sequence, Jashva Sandhi number 1, then Anuswara Sandhi, then Shutva Sandhi, then Anunasika, Jashva, Charta, then comes Parasavana Sandhi. So when it comes to Parasavana Sandhi, Anuswara is born before that. Therefore, that Anuswara comes down. Anuswara comes down. When Anuswara is there, then if it is followed by A letter, then Parasavarna will happen. Anuswara will be replaced by Parasavarna. So, for Parasavarna, Anuswara has to be there. And Anuswara is born before that in the sequence. So, the statutory sequence I said, you remember, important. Example, you can see. Plus kaha. Is Anuswara is there, followed by the A letter. Therefore, Anuswara is replaced by the Anuswara is replaced by Anuswara being Anunasika. Anunasika is nasal. Anuswara being nasal. Therefore, the nasal letter of the following class will replace that. You understand? Anuswara being, that's why the knowledge of Uchcharana Sthanam is important. Anuswara is what? Nasika, Anuswarasya. We saw? We chanted, right? So, Uchcharana Sthanam of Anuswara is Nasika. So that Anuswara must be replaced by a corresponding Anunasika letter. Nasika letter only. What is the Nasika letter? The following one. It is fifth letter of the class. So therefore, fifth letter, which is an Anunasika letter, which will replace Anuswara. Anunasika is Nasika, nasal only. So the nasal letter will replace. Therefore, Ankaha you get. Similarly, Gam plus Ga becomes Ganga. Here you can note one point. Some people may write like Gam Ga. This is wrong actually. You have to write Ganga only. Because this rule, there is no choice. You have to write, there is no choice. You understand? Similarly, here also, Kaha, you cannot write. This is wrong. If Anuswara is followed by A letter, you have to replace the Anuswara by the nasal letter of the following that A letter. Understand? Yes,
Yes, Ji.
or no?
Yes, Ji.
When there is a choice, the choice that is by the next one, Parastavana Sandhi number 2. There you can see. I will make this as Parastavana Sandhi number. Yeah.
The word sandhi itself also this Parasavarna sandhi rule. Is it?
What is that?
Sandhi, the word.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some plus the Sandhi can say yes. Yes.
Okay.
Parastavana Sandhi number 2 you see now. Where it is Anuswara is there. What Anuswara? Padanta Anuswara. And it is followed by the same A letter. Then when you are doing Sandhi, then Anuswara will be replaced by the nasal letter of the A letter. Here it is, since it is Padanta Anuswara, it's a Padam, therefore it is optional. Here optionality is there, whereas the Parasavana Sandhi number 1, there is no optionality. The difference between the two you have to understand. Parasavana Sandhi number 1 says that Apadanta Anuswara. Anuswara I have just said, but you have to understand it is Apadanta Anuswara. Anuswara not at the end of the Padam. That will be replaced by the Savarna letter of the A letter. Whereas if it is Padanta Anuswara, example you can see Tvam Patasi. Tvam is a Padam. Tvam Patasi. Anuswara followed by another Padam, that is Tvam, that is Anuswara is there at the end of the Padam, followed by the Padam beginning with Pakara. Therefore, the nasal letter of the Pakara is Makara. That will replace Anuswara optionally. Therefore, we have Tvam Patasi. Tvam Patasi. Either you can replace Anuswara by Makara or you can retain as it is. Because between the Padam, the Sandhi is optional. Vakyetu Vivaksham Apekshate. We chanted just now. That depends on the intention of the speaker. The Sandhi between the words in a sentence purely depends on the discretion of the speaker or the writer. So this is Anuswara Sandhi.
Sharanji,
Parasavana Sandhi number 2. Yes.
Sharanji, the word Shankara,
Yes.
sometimes I have seen it put like that, a
There-
bindu on top.
Hmm.
Sometimes I
There
have
it is
written-
a Sham is a Padam.
Oh,
It's a Padam. Sham Karoti iti Shankaraha. It is there.
okay.
Taking that as a Padam, they write Shankaraha. Yes.
So that is an optional thing, Sharanji, because it's a Padanta.
That is Padam. That the same. That follows the rule Parasavana Sandhi number 2. Optional.
Oh, okay. Okay, Sharanji. Thank you.
Right?
Hmm.
Sham Karoti is a Padam. Shankaraha. It's a Samasa. Okay, I can give that example also right here. This is Sham is a Padam. Sham means Mangalam, Kalyanam, Shubham. Sham Karaha. Karaha is the one who does. So therefore, Anuswara is replaced by the Nasika, the nasal letter of the following A letter, which is Nakara. Therefore, Shankaraha. Since Sham is a Padam, therefore, the placement is optional. If you don't do it, you'll have like this. Shankaraha. Optionality is there. Right?
Thank you, Sharanji. Yeah.
Good question that is. So similarly, Aham Gachami. Suppose it is there. Now let me make it as Makar. Now you tell me what will happen. Aham plus Gachami plus Sandhi. Anybody can do. Please try.
It will
It is
be
Padanta Anuswara. Aham.
Very good. Makara is Padanta Makara. Padanta Makara, first it has to become Anuswara. Then only you can apply this rule. Parasavana Sandhi requires Anuswara. Anuswara is not in bond. That you apply Anuswara Sandhi number 1. Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara. Aham Gachami. Aham now ending with the word ending with Anuswara. Now what will happen?
this Padanta.
It's optional.
Aham
It's optional,
gacchami.
yes.
Aham gacchami.
It's
Aham
optional.
Gachami with
So
the
Aham
bindu.
Aham
Gachami
gacchami.
or Aham
Or-
Gachami.
Or aham
Aham.
gachami.
Gachami. Right?
Yeah.
So you have to start from here. Padanta Makara is Anuswara Sandhi to be applied. Because no Jasha Sandhi and all cannot be applied in the sequence if you see. So Anuswara Sandhi is to be applied first and then Parasavana Sandhi. Right? It's clear?
Yes, Ji.
Diction.
Yes.
Now, see this, the list of this Sindhi. So we have seen Parasavarna also. So Chutva Shtutva we know. What is Purva Savarna? Have we seen
When
Purva
haka-
Savarna?
Yeah, when
Yes,
hakara is preceded by jhai
Mm.
letter,
Jai.
then
Very
hakara
good.
will be
Hakara will be
replaced
replaced optionally by the
Uh,
fourth letter.
Fourth letter.
Jash.
Yes,
Of the
that
class.
also we have seen.
Jash letter.
Jash letter. Okay. Hakara is preceded by J letter. Then Hakara will be replaced by fourth letter of the J letter, that is Jash letter. Jash letter will replace. Example, Vak plus Hasati. This is optional. Okay. Vak plus Asati. Example, you can see Vak here. Sorry. Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes. Purva Savarna Sandhi, you can see Hakara preceded by J letter. Then Hakara will be replaced by fourth letter. What are the fourth letter? The Jash letter, Jabain Gadadash. So will be replaced by fourth letter of the J letter. So example, Vak plus Asati. First you apply Jasha Sandhi. Vak is a Padam, Padanta Jal replaced by Gakara. Now Vak Sati. After that, other rules are not applicable. Anuswara Sandhi rules are there. Those Shuddha Shtutva, they are not applicable here. Directly you come here, Purva Savarna Sandhi. That is why the list of the sequence of rules you need to have. That Abhyasa practice to be done. It comes only by practice. Now, Hakara is preceded by Gakara. Gakara is a J letter. J letter includes what? All the class consonant except the fifth letter. Right? Starting from 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? It includes all the class consonants except fifth letter. So this is a class consonant, third letter. Therefore, Hakara will be replaced by fourth letter of the
Kavarga.
class. Kavarga letter, which is
Yes.
Gakara, that Kavarga letter, fourth letter. Therefore, Vaghasati. It is optional. Therefore, it can be Vaghasati also. Right? This is Purva Savarna Sandhi. This also we have seen. Okay. Then, after this, after the Purva Savarna, Chatva Sandhi. Chatva Sandhi also we have seen. Chatva Sandhi, you remember?
Yes, Ji.
Shakara preceded by
Shakara preceded by
Padanta Jai.
Padanta Jai.
Padanta
And
Jai.
followed
That's
by
important.
Followed by
Am. Important.
Followed by
Will be optionally
This
replaced
is
by Chakara.
by Chakara.
This is specifically for Shakara. Shakara preceded by J letter. What J? Padanta J.
Padanta Jai.
And followed by Then it is optionally replaced by Chakara. Example, Tat plus Shivaha. Padanta Jal replaced by just letter. Just Sandhi number 1 to be applied. Then after that, what is applied? Dakara, Shakara in contact. What Sandhi?
Shutva.
Shuddha Sandhi. Good. Dakara replaced because Dakara is Tavarga letter. Shakara palatal. So therefore Dakara will be replaced by corresponding Chavarga letter, which is Chakara. Now Taj plus Shivaha. After that, Shakara. After that, what happens? One more is there. After that,
Chartha.
Jaka. Chartha Sandhi.
Yeah.
This is a Jal letter followed by Shakara, which is a Kar letter. Therefore, Jakara will be replaced by Chakara. Tach Shivaha. Don't forget Chartha Vidhi. Important. Chartha Vidhi, you have to remember. Chartha Vidhi is Jal followed by Kar will be replaced by Char. Then after that you apply this Sandhi because the Sandhi rule comes at the end. So Shakara preceded by the J letter and followed by Shakara followed by E, which is a letter. Both conditions to be fulfilled. Should be preceded by the J letter. Should be preceded by J. What J? Padanta J. That is important. And Shakara must be followed by letter. That is also important. So both conditions are fulfilled. E is there. E is a part of So therefore, what happens? Shakara will be optionally replaced by Chakara. Therefore, Tat Shivaha iti rupam. Or Tat Shivaha. So this is Chatrasanti. This also we have seen. You need to remember all this. You have to work on this. Application will come. That's what we are doing, right? Is it clear, Chatrasanti?
Yes.
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 Not new. Everything we have seen before. Now, in this list of Sandhi, last one, 10th one is Yamuttagama Sandhi. That we will see later. We'll see later. Not now. We'll see. First, we have to do Abhyasa with this, and that context will come. I will teach you that. Okay. Now let us do this quickly. This exercise and this here. Chartha Sandhi. The last class we saw example. I explained this. Chartha Sandhi, then Vipat plus Kalaha, Virat Purusha, all these things we saw in the last class. Jal letter followed by Kar letter will be replaced by Char. Jashva Sandhi, we know it very well. Padanta Jal will be replaced by Jash letter. All these are examples we did in the last class. Then Anunasika Sandhi, this also we saw. The examples. Shat plus Masaha, Shan Masaha, Jagat plus Nataha, Jagannataha, Prak plus Mukam, Prang Mukam, Sad plus Matihi, San Matihi. Right? So this is, we have seen Anunasika Sandhi. Then the next one, Anuswara Sandhi, where Padanta Makara is replaced by Anuswara. Harim plus Vande. From here we will see. Harim plus Vande. Harim is a Padam. Padanta Makara replaced by Anuswara. Karyam plus Kuru. Karyam is a Padam. Padanta Makara replaced by Anuswara. Dharmam plus Chara. Dharman Chara. Padanta Makara replaced by Anuswara. Satyam Vada. All are Padam. Padanta Makara. Satyam replaced by Anuswara. Satvaram plus Yati. Akara replaced by Anuswara. Satvaram Yati. Ramam Bhajami. Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. We saw the same. Padanta Makara replaced by Anuswara. All these are more examples for the sandhis what we have seen. So you should be able to remember, recollect, remember. Next one also we saw Apadanta Makara Nakara. Don't see the wordings here. The wordings have to be modified. That's why I wrote in the Sandhi chart very clearly. It is not just Makara Nakara. Apadanta Makara, Apadanta Nakara. That is important. Okay. They will become Anuswara when followed by Jal letter. Example, Yasham plus C, Yasham C. Payan plus C, Payam C. Nam plus Yati, Nam Syati. Sam plus Saraha, Samsaraha. Aptanta Makara followed by Jal letter. You can see on the left hand side, all are Jal letter replaced by Anuswara. Next one is Parasavana Sandhi. That is Anuswara will be replaced. Parasavana Sandhi is a replacement of Anuswara by this Savarna A letter. Am plus Kitaha. Ankitaha. You have to write like this only. Important. Ankitaha. Then Mam plus Diram. Mandiram. Kum plus Titaha. kuntitaha. Shyam plus taha, shantaha. Gum plus pitaha, gumpitaha. On the right hand side, Anuswara is there. Left hand side, the A letters are there. So Anuswara replaced by the corresponding Nasika letter of the A letters. So this is for the Apadanta Anuswara. If it is Apadanta, then there is an optionality. Right? So next one. This is what optionality only is given here. Va padantasya, that also we have seen. Tvam karoshi, here optionality. Tvam is a padam, padanta, anuswara. Therefore, optionality. Trinam charati. Trinam charati. Charati is a padam, kriya padam. Trinam is a padam. So therefore, optionality. Trinam charati, atrinam charati. Gramam gacchati, gramam gacchati. Here, in the Sandhi chart, you can note one example I have given for this, I think. Let me show you. In this Parasvara Sandhi, you can see Gatum plus Yajnaya. Gatum plus Yajnaya. Tachayora Vrani Mahe. Gatum Yajnaya. Gatum Yajnapataye. We chant that. Shantipata. Gatum, ending with Anuswara, followed by Yakara, which is a A letter. Now this Anuswara will be replaced by the nasal component of Yakara. Yakara is not a class consonant, but it has got Anunasika component. What is that? Nasalized Yakara. So that will come in the place of Anuswara. That's for Gatoin Yajnaya. The chanting and all we say like this. Gatoin Yajnaya. Or you can keep as it is also. Gatum Yajnaya. Because it is Padanta, therefore optionality. Okay. Here you have to note Yakara has its nasal component. Similarly, Vakara also has its nasal component. Lakara also has its nasal component. Does Repa have nasal component? Yes or no?
No.
No, it doesn't have. There is no Ra, not there. Among the semi-vowels, please note Yakara, Vakara, Lakara has its nasal component. Repa doesn't have. So Yakara is Nya. Vakara is Wa. Lakara is Na. Whereas Repa doesn't have. Pramila ji, remember just now we Kathopanishad we saw Tasmil Lokashita Sarve. The nasal component was there. I don't know whether you noticed that in the mantra. It was there. Okay. Now, the next one.
Guruji, one doubt.
Yes.
In that Repa, when we saw that Visarga, we said that before Visarga, that room is there. So what is that? Is it a nasal?
That is not, that is nasal for Ukara only, not for Repa, right? It is, okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, G.
See, I will write, I'm typing here, I don't have space, so here I'm typing. Repa plus U, it is. Nasal for the Ukara only, not for Repa, right? Room.
Okay.
It's a combination of Repa plus the vowel, the consonant plus the vowel. Who is the nasal? Not for the Repa, right? It is
Okay,
room.
got it.
The next one is very simple rule. It's called Lakta Sandhi. Thorli. Anybody studying Ashtadhyayi, they will remember this rule because simplest rule. Then Tavarga is followed by Lakara.
Nakara.
Then Tavarga will be replaced by Lakara. Tat plus Linaha. Takara replaced by Lakara. Tallinaha. Ud plus Lekaha. Ullekaha. Jet. All Tavarga letters. Tavarga letter followed by Lakara. Tavarga letter will be replaced by Lakara. Jagat plus Lakshmihi. Lakshmihi. Jagal Lakshmi.
Ji, for here also we should apply just for Sandhi and then only we
Yes,
should go
yes,
for-
yes, always.
Okay.
Yes. If it is a Padam, you have to apply. That there is no choice. You have to apply. If you miss it, then you will end up in problem.
Okay.
Okay. So that you have to note it. And Vilasad plus Lanka. Vilasal Lanka. Okay. Suppose if it is Nakara. Suppose Nakara is there, which is also a Tavarga letter. Then what will happen? Followed by Lakara. That example given in the chart, it seems. You understand what I'm asking?
Yes, Ji.
If the
Because
Takara, if Nakara, the part of Tavarga is there, followed by Lakara, what will happen? Nakara will be
Become
replaced.
nasalized.
Yes, becomes nasalized what? Lakara. And see the example.
Nasalized lakara.
Yes, Shraddhavan plus Labate. Shraddhavan is Nakara, is Tavarga letter, followed by La. Nakara is nasal, and Lakara has got nasal component. La, that will come. Shraddhavan Labate. This is what I said in the last Upanishad class. We saw Tasmil Lokaha. Tasmin is Tavarga letter. Tasmin, that is replaced by nasalized Lakara. Tasmil Lokaha. Tasmil Lokashita Sarve. Tadanateti Kaschana. We saw just now. So you have to see this. The Sandhi is applied. Right? So this is Labda Sandhi. Okay. So all the Sandhis we have seen. So this is simple Sandhi, totally. The next one, Chitta Sandhi, you know it. Sakara or Tavarga in contact with Shakara or Chavarga, Chittam will happen. Barring the exceptions are there that you have to always have to remember. Manas plus Chanchalam, you see only the example, the wordings you leave it. Manas plus Chanchalam becomes Sakara in contact with Chavarga, therefore Manas Chanchalam. Ramas plus Shete, Ramashete, etc. Ramas plus Chinoti, Ramas Chinoti. Shishush plus Chete, Shishush Chete. Then Sat plus Chit. Yes, given like that, but we should not do like this. Sat plus Chit. Sat is a Padam. Apply Jashasandhi. It will become Sad plus Chit. Then after that, apply Chitta Sandhi. It becomes Sajit plus Chit. After that, you apply Chatta Sandhi. Then only it becomes Sajit. You have to note. Okay. Apply all the cases. You have to apply Jashasandhi first. If it is a Padam, apply Jashasandhi. Then Shutta Sandhi. Then Chatta Sandhi. Right? You have to apply that sequence. So Sad plus Chit, Sat will become Sad. Then Shutta Sandhi becomes Saj. Finally, it becomes Chakara. Karicha applies. Okay, not directly. Here he has gone directly. But I have not taught you like that. I have taught you by step. Similarly, Magad plus Chakaram becomes Magad Chakaram, following Jashva Sandhi, Shutta Sandhi, and Chatta Sandhi. Brigat plus Chatram, the same. Brigat Chatram, Brigaj Chatram, then Brigach Chatram. Ud plus Jwalaha, Ud Jwalaha, then Uch Jwalaha, then Ud Jwalaha. Okay, anyway, here it is not followed by kar letter, therefore Ujjwalaha remains. You can note this. Jakara is not a kar letter. Okay, therefore Ujjwalaha only, it will not become Uch. Please note that. You have to see the letter, the first letter of the following word, whether it is a kar letter or not. Similarly, Mahan plus Jayaha. Jayaha is not a kar letter. And Mahan is what? Mahan is Mahan plus Jayaha, what Sandhi? Mahan plus Jayaha. what will happen, Mahan? Nakara is
Nasal.
Why?
Nasal. Should.
Nasal.
nasal. Why nasal?
Tutva something.
First,
Ahan.
Shutta Sandhya, why it becomes nasal? But what rule is that? Nasal. How it become nasal? Shutta Sandhi is what applied. Nasal is Anunasika Sandhi, Parasavana Sandhi. If it is Anuswara, then Parasavana Sandhi. It is not Anuswara. It is Nakara. If the A letter, this if yer letter is followed by Anunasika, then you can say Parasa, this what is Sandhi? Parasavana Sandhi. Anunasika, Anunasikova. That Anunasika Sandhi. Right? Here it is not Anuswara Sandhi or this Parasavana Sandhi. Here Mahan plus Jaya is simply Chutta Sandhi. Nakara is replaced. You cannot apply Jasha Sandhi and all. Directly you have to apply Chutta Sandhi. Nakara, which is a Tavarga letter in contact with Tavarga letter. Nakara replaced by Nakara, Mahan Jayaha. After that, nothing happens. You understand this example? It's a good example. Please note. The confusion may come with Anuswara Sandhi or the Parasavana Sandhi. Those things are not applied here. For Anuswara Sandhi to happen, it should be either Padanta Makara or Apadanta Nakara or Makara. It is not. Therefore, Anuswara Sandhi number 1 and 2 cannot be applied. Then, if it is a yer letter followed by Anunasika, that is not the case here. Here it is Anunasika is here. So, Anunasika letter is the first letter followed by some other letter, Jakara. So, therefore, this Yaraharunasike, yer letter followed by Anunasika, that rule also cannot be applied. Therefore, what is applicable is only is Chutta Sandhi. Next one, Anyat Pascha, Jashva Sandhi, Chutta Sandhi, and Chattva Sandhi. Finally, you get Anyacha. You please work out all those things. Write it. You have to write it. You have to practice by writing it. Sat plus Janaha. Sad Janaha, Sad Janaha. Jastva and Chutva. Then Shtutva Sandhi. He has not given the exception, it seems. Shtutva Sandhi says Sakara Tavarga in contact with Mudanya. Shakara Tavarga letter. Ramas plus Shashtaha. Sakara will become Rama Shashtaha. Now, Ramas plus Shashtaha, if you apply the rules in the order, what will come? Ramas is Padanta Sakara. What will happen? You have to follow the sequence. Padanta Sakara, what will happen?
Visarga. Ramaha.
Good. It becomes
Ra.
Ru. Ru is nothing but Repa. That is, it becomes Visarga. Why it becomes Visarga? Repa only comes. Ramar. So Ramas will become Ramar. Then after that, what will happen? It is
Kar letter follows.
Kar letter follows, or it can be taken as a Padanta Repa. Therefore, Ramar will become
Ramaha.
Ramaha. Now Visarga has come. Visarga is followed by, since you are going to join, you are going to do Sandhi. Therefore, Visarga followed by,
Kar letter.
what will happen to Visarga?
That is
Kar letter replaced by Sakara.
Visarga is replaced by Sakara, not Kar letter. Followed by Kar letter. Therefore,
Followed by Kar
Visarga,
letter replaced by Sakara.
Visarga. Then you get again Ramas Shashtaha. Right? After that, you do Rutva Sandhi. You understand what I'm saying? Yes or no?
Yes, Ji.
yes.
You have to
Yes,
follow
for
the
first rule. Yes.
in the Sandhi
Yes.
chart, you see the number is given. To help you, the number is given. You go by the ascending order. Ramaha plus Ramas plus Shashtaha. The Ramas will become Ramaru. That is, you see the number is given. It's not only for me, it's for you also number. If you, because it is ascending order, you have to apply. Therefore, it will become 8266 if you see the number. So 82 8th chapter, 2nd section. Therefore, it comes first. It is replaced by room. So you get Ramar. Then Repa is there. And after that, what Sandhi you have to apply? We have to see. Repa will be replaced by Visarga when followed by Kar or Avasana, which is 8, 3, 15. You can see the ascending order. So it becomes Visarga. Then Visarga followed by the Kar letter will be replaced by Sakara. That is 8, 3, 34. You can see the number sequence. Now Sakara comes. Now Ramas plus Shashtaha comes. And after that, no other rule applies. You apply Tutta Sandhi. Becomes Ramash Shashtaha. Okay. This you have to practice. Then Dhanus plus Tankaraha. Dhanush Tankaraha. Balas plus Shashtaha. Balas Shashtaha. All the way the same thing is only follow. Sarpis plus Tamam. Sarpis Tamam. Dhanus plus Tankaraha. Dhanush Tankara. Here, the Sakara replaced by Ru only for Padanta. So, Ramas is a Padam. Dhanus is a Padam. Balas is a Padam. Sarpis plus Tamam. Sarpis is Tamam is a Pratyaya. Therefore, Sarpis is not a Padam. Don't apply here. So, Padanta Sakara only will become Ru. So, you have to see whether it is Padanta Sakara or not. Sarpis is not a Padam here because Tamam is a Pratyaya. So, that we have to note what is which are Pratyaya, which is Padam, which are not Padam. Other things are Padam. Other words are Padam. Ramas, Dhanus, Balas, Dhanus. All these are Padam. Sarpis is not a Padam because Tamam is a Pratyaya. Okay. Then, more examples. Mahat plus Dindi Maha. Jasya Sandhi and then Sutta Sandhi. Tat plus Tika. Jasya Sandhi, then Stutta Sandhi, then Chatta Sandhi. Tat Tika. Okay. Chakrin plus Daukase. Chakrin Daukase. It's straightforward. Directly you can apply. Because no other rules apply here. Don't confuse with Anuswara Sandhi, Anunasika Sandhi and all. Chakrin is Nakara, Tavarga letter, contact with Tavarga letter, replaces by Mugdanya Nakara. Okay. We can stop here. So this is Tutta Sandhi. All these are revision only, nothing new. I don't know whether it is boring or so if you know it very well, I'm happy we can move forward. But you have to give me that confidence. So next class, some more Sandhi, I will teach you 2 more Sandhi, 2 or 3 more Sandhi from Visarga. Then I will take up Gita and take for granted that you all know this Sandhis. We will apply and split the Gita. Okay, that we will start from the next class. Is it okay?
Yes, Ji.
Yes. Ji.
Please
Yes,
go
Ji.
through all the Sandhi rules. I have revised this many times. Many times I have revised. So it's up. You have to work. The Sandhi chart, you please take printout, keep it with you. Follow that. Abhyasa is required. Sandhi, if you cross Sandhi, then it will become smooth sailing. This Sandhi you have to cross. It's an important topic, Sandhi. First important topic. And there are other important topics. This is the first important topic. Because this is the, for some people, this is the obstacle also. To cross over this Sandhi. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You please all of you practice, write it.
Guruji, can you send updated?
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll send you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Please practice. You have to write.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.